On my recent flight with Cebu Pacific, nalaman ko na they upgraded their operations control center. Last year, I was actually one of the select Ceb customers na nabigyan ng chance to tour their airline operations center. Doon sa control center, nakita ko kung paano minomonitor ang flights in real time. May mga screens showing the schedules, aircraft status, and even weather.
Nagjo-duty din po ba dito si Mang Tani?
Nakikita niyo ba yan?
And honestly, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nabigyan ako ng chance na masilip kung ano talaga ang nangyayari behind the scenes sa daily operations ng isang airline. Something na hindi naman natin usually nakikita as passengers. Kaya saludo talaga ako sa lahat ng nagtatrabaho behind the scenes and on the ground kasi guys, malaking part din talaga sila sa safe and smooth journey natin as passengers. And if you're flying with Cebu Pacific, guys, make sure to read your Smile magazine. Makukuha nyo yun for free sa seat pocket in front of you. Kasi guys, ang dami nyong mababasang good to know info.